Congratulations. The fact that you're reading this means you've just taken one giant step closer to surviving till your next birthday. Yes, you, standing there leafing through these pages. Do not put this book down. I'm dead serious. Your life could depend on it. This is my story, the story of my family, but it could just as easily be your story too. We're all in this together. Trust me on that. I've never done anything like this, so I'm just going to jump in, and you try to keep up. Okay, I'm Max. I'm 14, I live with my family, who are 5 kids not totally related to me by blood, but still totally my family. We're all kind of amazing. Not to sound too full of myself, but we're nothing you've ever seen before. Basically, we're pretty cool, nice, smart, but not average in any way. The 6 of us, me, Fang, Iggy, Nudge, the Gas Man, and Angel, were made on purpose by the sickest, most horrible scientists you could possibly imagine. They created us as an experiment. An experiment where we only ended up 98% human. The other 2% has had a big impact, let me tell you. We grew up in a science lab, prison, called the school, in cages, like lab rats. It's pretty amazing. We can think or speak at all, but we can do that and so much more. There was one other school experiment that made it past infancy. Part human, part wolf, all predator. They're called erasers. They're tough, smart, and hard to control. They look human, but when they want to, they are capable of morphing into wolfmen, complete with fur, fangs, and claws. The school used them as guards, police, and executioners. To them, we're 6 moving targets, pretty smart enough to be a fun challenge. Basically, they want to rip our throats out and make sure the world never finds out about us. But I'm not lying down just yet. I'm talking to you, right? This story could be about you or your children. If not today, then soon. So please, please take this seriously. I'm risking everything that matters by telling you. But you need to know. Keep reading. Don't let anyone stop you. Max and my family, Fang, Iggy, Nudge, the Gas Man, and Angel. Welcome to our nightmare.